I'm Dobbins. I'm the CEO of H.H. Dobbins Incorporated. We're located in Lindenville, New York, in Western New York. My great-grandfather started farming in 1905, the fourth generation in the business. Most of our fruit is grown in Wayne County, Orleans County, and Niagara counties of New York State. But we also bring in fruit from the Hudson Valley in New York, as well as Pennsylvania. Up until this summer, we were sorting by hand completely. So that would require from 6 to 10 people on the line sorting before the sizer, whereas now we only have 2 people on the line that are specifically sorting, and then we have an operator for the Spectrum and our QC team. Spectrum performs beautifully at picking up defects, much better than the human eye. Our operators had no experience with defect sorting before this season, and they've learned very quickly, and they're making the machine do what we want it to do. Technology is very important to our company. It enables us to make better use of the labor that we have at hand. Our labor per unit has gone down, and our units per man hour has gone up by about actually 15%. And we continue to see it grow as we get more in tune with the equipment. Spectrum has exceeded our expectations for return on investment. We obviously speculated that we would see returns at a certain rate. We've exceeded them almost from the first day we started running. Food safety is very important to our company. Because of our export experience, we were one of the first companies in the United States to be BRC certified. So we are third-party certified for food safety on an annual basis. Our farms are Global Gap certified. We're also USDA certified in the packing house. It is of the utmost importance to us and our team, our food safety team, that every box of fruit that leaves our building is safe, healthy, and will delight our customers. Because of our sorting systems, internal and external, we will have more homes for our fruit. Because we can separate within the lot, we can send fruit 2 different ways, as opposed to eliminating certain markets for fear that some percentage of the fruit may have an internal defect, or something like water core, which in some customers' eyes is a defect, other customers is a benefit. So instead of limiting ourselves to one or the other, we can spread the pack. And we've already seen our packouts are up about 3% from last year. And our rejection rate went from 1% to 0.5% this year. So it's been a win for both our customers and our growers. The new sorter is very gentle on the fruit. We virtually found no mechanical bruising in the fruit at all. That was a very, very exciting thing for us, because I've never seen a line go in that didn't take a period of time to work out the transfers and so forth. This line was ready to go from the very start, and handles the fruit very well. My team and I have traveled around the world and looked at different companies, different sizers, different sorting systems, but we had some familiarity with Compac. We've worked with Compac before. We were very comfortable with the service that we get, with the quality of their product. Spectrum, we think, is going to open doors for us and opportunities with our customer base and potentially new customers. It's very early days for us, but we're very confident that the consistency of the pack that we are producing will be noticed, and that when we call on a potential new customer or send a new customer that first load of fruit, they're going to be very happy, and we will see return business and increased business. We feel very confident about that. I would recommend Compac, and if I was putting in a second line, I'd be going right back to Compac. You know, when we were trying to make a decision, every company that had Compac in their packing house recommended them, and we feel the same way. One of the great benefits that the Compac equipment has brought to H.H. Dobbins is that we have a world-class staff here of very dedicated people that come to work every day with a great attitude, and they want to be the best. I feel like with the Compac equipment, we've given them the tools so that they can be the best. They can compete with anybody in the world, and they're very up for that challenge. I'm up for that challenge. We're excited about our future, and I'm excited to see them grow along with the rest of the company. The investment we made in training our staff for both the defect sorting and the sizer software was invaluable. We wouldn't consider trying to run that line without having these people trained to the highest level. Our defect sorting technician, that's their full-time job. The person that runs our sizers, that's their full-time job. We wouldn't consider having them there without being fully prepared every day to make the most of the equipment that we have. Every person that's on our floor is waiting for their direction and is affected by how they run the equipment. So it's probably the most important part of what we're doing out there. So we feel that the training they have is invaluable, and it's something we'll continue to invest in. Spectrum has met our expectations, and we're still relatively new to it, so we have a lot to learn, which is exciting to us because we're pretty satisfied with what we've accomplished already. So we're expecting really to have it be a home run.